Hey peace, how are you all? Did you get a new iPhone online and you're not sure whether it's authentic or not? Is it fake or real? Is it new or old? In just simple steps, you'll find it out. Go to settings, go to general settings, and you can get the serial number in the about iPhone here. You note down the serial number, go to any of your web browsers and go to checkcoverage.apple.com. This is an official Apple website and you don't need to worry about giving your serial number into this website. You paste the serial number here, enter the captcha, and in the next page you'll be redirected to all your details about your iPhone, like whether it's a valid purchase or not, whether the technical support is active or not, and till what date is your repairs and service coverage is active. That's your warranty. You need to ensure that this date is 1 year from the date of your purchase. So that's the easiest way, people, to determine the authenticity of your iPhone in just under 60 seconds in 2 simple steps.